is gonna be your next release, which is War 2, releasing on the 14th of August.
I have to say the best part of doing War 2 was working with Junior NTR.
దానికంటే ముందు ఆగస్ట్ 14 వార్ 2 మూవీ రిలీజ్ అవబోతుంది.
एक गाना बचा है बस. The film is shot and that song is with Junior NTR and me, which I'm going back now. We're going back now to film. I hope I do well. I'm nervous. He's amazing. But this film is going to be bigger and better than part 1. That's my promise to you.